Climb inside the 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.